Well, my name is Lamont Brock. I'm the director of the Chick-fil-A here at Auburn University. We're actually inside of the Student Center on the second floor right now. Our Chick-fil-A actually started in the old Foy building there, and we had two Chick-fil-A's on campus. We had one in the old Foy building over here, and we had one in Terrell Hall. But when they built the new Student Center here, they brought the Chick-fil-A in.
Thank you.
We see 2,800 students today, with the exception of Saturday.
Hey, I'm Emily Walsh. I'm a senior in RTVF. I had the spicy sandwich meal. Whenever I'm like going class to class, if I need to grab food really quick. And I can also use my Tiger card, so it's not my own money that I have to spend.
I got a Chick Deluxe with American.
It was my pleasure serving you today.